We are about to embark on a very important project to complete our beautiful Phase 1 here at the Bay Park, and that is to add the shade and rain panels at this beautiful nest structure. It'll take us about 3 or 4 months throughout the summer, and it will be happening in 3 steps. First, we'll be adding the shade panels that will be on the underside of this structure to make this a comfortable place to come during the summertime. Second, we'll be adding clear rain panels on the top of the structure to make it protective for the weather. And then last, we'll be adding LED light fixtures, about 300 or 400 of them, to provide light at night. We are still going to have full programming like we do every day at the Bay Park, and the restrooms will be open as well. We may have a little bit of congestion with construction related to parking, so please check our weekly newsletter for the events that are going on, and when you come to the park, we appreciate your patience and maybe consider parking up at the visitor center or in the Ben Wazel lot and walking in to the park.